Hello guys, good morning. This is Ranger of Rangers, and I have some emergency call from friends that his car is not starting. So I'm going there to rescue him, and I'll show you how to jump start the car using by cable. Okay, I'm going there now. Okay, see you later. Bye. So I'm going here now. This is the car. That's the car. Okay, so that's his car.
Hmm? Mm. Come on then. Come on.
First thing you do, just like come closer, come closer. This black tape, black color, uh, it's gonna be in positive, negative. This is negative. Black is for negative, and red for positive. Okay, and but you have to start your car. You have to start your car. Every time you do this, you have to start your car. Okay. And this one is gonna be the black one is gonna be here, and the red one, oh, I cannot reach. I just little bit move the car. And then this red thing is gonna be put in the positive sign, plus. Okay. Right. Try to start. Okay, try to start now. Okay, and right. Try to revolution your car. Let me do it. Let me do it. Let me do it. Press revolution your car. Revolution your car. My car. Press revolution my car. Just wait a little bit because maybe it's charging the battery. Try to revolution again. Try to start again your car. I think this is not the battery. One more. Angan. Wait. Huh?
This mirror is down. It's trying, you see?
Okay. Backward. One more. No, this is the problem.
Huh?
Battery. It's not the battery.
I got a call. It's not the battery. It's something else.
One more. The last one, and then
It's
maybe.
not battery.
Try to push again.
Do is trust them more and make sure they're able to express their opinions on the way forward for our party.
Liz Truss, thank
It's
you.
working now.
24 minutes past 8. Let's pick up on some of what Liz Truss was saying about the Irish border situation, and thinking about what may or may not happen to it in the various circumstances that we face. Katja Europe is on the line. The German Chancellor's going to Dublin, isn't she, later in the week? There is concern, isn't there, about that?
So it's working now, guys. This is Rangers. So next time, if your car it's not working, if you use the jumper start, so you can use the push. All right, maybe it works. Okay, but it works now. Okay, that's the technique. Thank you. See you guys. Please subscribe my channel and share and likes. Okay, thank you, and see you in my next vlog. Bye.